ArcGIS Pro tutorial. In this video, we want to learn how to create a layout of your map. So in this video, firstly, I want to present something that how we can do a layout in ArcGIS Pro. So firstly, I open my presentation. Um, in the last video, we can see it that you can use your pin chart map in your ArcGIS Pro according to your data of the Excel sheet. So it will easily do it by in ArcGIS Pro. In this video, we can know that how to create this layout maps in our ArcGIS Pro for the study area of every field. In this video, we can focus into especially focus in the district map level study area or local administration area. We can also see that how to create a ocean background color changes and how to give the late long data to their study area. We can also discuss how we remove one district and how to add some district by doing this in the label chart. And in the last, we can also do some the north arrow in the scale bar, how to like subdivide in your label chart, or how to subdivide or division occur in your scale bar. In the last, we can also create our own scale bar, and which can be used in every map of ourselves. So we can do everything in ArcGIS Pro. So step by step we can do it. Firstly, we can create our new map, and you can change your location. For example, I give the location to, which I created a folder of my in the desktop and this geological software, and okay, so you can okay it. So it can easily you can show your work. It will be automatically loaded the base map. So now I'm now in Japan, so due to the location change in the internet connection, so this all country in the Japanese language, so we cannot read this in Japanese language. You can also change your base map by clicking this. If I interested in the if I click this one, in later on we will be discuss easily that how to create your own ocean in your study area. It's very easy. If I click on it, so you can easily see it. So my study focus will be this area, the Pakistan. How to locate is your choice how you can do it in your study area, but I just focus in my this study area and focus this salt range mountain. So you can see it that it's the black in color. You can also change your color by going to option, general, application theme. You can change your light color as you wish, but I like this black color because it can also good for our eye care. This is the main Indus River. This is the mountainous region in Pakistan. The green part is known as vegetated area, and the non-green part is known as the less vegetated area, a very high temperature area. Okay, so later on in next video we can start our work how to create a layout, and how to create a study area map, and how to create a layout area for our map area of every field. If you are working in every field, it will be useful to you and helpful to you. So firstly, we can also remove this base map because we cannot need it, and we will be loaded our shape file. So next video we will be see that how to download the shape file.